Hi, my name is Danny with Spectrum Landscape Service. I'm one of the project consultants here at Spectrum. The video that you're watching now is our guys out on a job. They put in one retaining wall up towards the top of the screen. Towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see another retaining wall going in. They're putting in a laser leveled block that is the accuracy of the laser is 1/16 of an inch up to 300 feet away. So that's pretty stinking accurate. And they're laser leveling every single block that they lay along that base row in order to build that wall to make it accurate and strong for the future of this pool project. Another thing you'll see out here is Perma Pools, the #1 pool builder in the Indianapolis area. You see their guys out there on this fiberglass pool system adding a track system for the auto pool cover. You'll see the pool cover box at one end and the track system mounted along the edges of the fiberglass pool.